Hi guys, this is the follow-up video of the unboxing of this item. So this is the 125 millimeter circular saw that was imported from Japan. Why I did the unboxing? Previously, I found out in the package there's no conduit for dust, and also I can't find the accessories associated with this tool. Luckily, my wife tried to browse through the menus and also compare this model with another model. I think that model is instead of 40 volts, it was the previous generation, and some of the accessories are shared between that model and this model. So she helped me to order those items through an affiliate in Japan, and it took I think less than a month to ship those items back to Australia. So today I'm going to put those accessories onto this item, onto this saw, just to see whether it fits. If they fit, and I will list those item numbers on the bottom of the YouTube video. So you can, if you buy this item, if you buy this saw, you can source those items from Japan. If you have any question to purchase those items, maybe you can leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, let's start. So you see each item's the package only has Japanese. Okay. So also, in addition to that, this is the battery I purchased from here. Is the 2.5 mAh battery, and compared with the regular one, I think the regular one is 4 mAh. So that one's quite heavy. This one is a bit less heavy. So I think this one fits very well with the smaller saw. Okay. Okay, here's my knife. Okay. Hopefully they fit. I think they fit. Yep, perfectly. The flip 2 should work. Just give me a sec. Let me see how this one was fitted on the larger circular saw. Okay. I think what you need to do, you do not need to take out the washer. Just screw everything onto the hole. That should work. Okay. And it fits very well. I'm not sure the vacuum connector can fit this small hole. But anyhow, if it doesn't fit, I can 3D print a connector to join this part. But this is the important bit. And that's the whole point of buying this model, because this model has the socket to put the Bluetooth chip. So this chip, basically, it connects to a Bluetooth enabled vacuum cleaner. So when you switch on the machine, this one triggers the vacuum cleaner. So, and all the dust can go out from here. Obviously, there will be some dust here you can't avoid. But so strangely, in the previous package, they don't have this one. You have to purchase this one separately. I think that's a shame of Makita. This one should come with this model, especially with this Bluetooth device. Anyways, this Bluetooth device was purchased in Australia. Yeah, maybe that's why they don't have in the original box. They don't have this one. They don't have this one. So you need to order them separately. Okay, so that's the connector for the vacuum, and this is the tool hanger. Okay. So it's like this, and then you screw the two screws here. Should be in the front, and you can rotate this one. Okay. Let's just see. Let's put them on first. Very long screws. Okay, I think it fits the tool very well. So you can hang the tool from somewhere. Okay. Okay. It's like this. Okay, looks quite nice. For the edge guard, I will not put this on. You just slide this one in, and then you can sew according to the edge. So I will put those part numbers in the description section. Let me just put away the tools first, and then power this on using this battery. You see the Bluetooth is lights up. Let's just see whether it's working or not. Quite powerful. You have to use this connector to the vacuum. If you use different one, this one and the blade guide might not be compatible. Okay. And also it has a light. Originally I purchased this circular saw because I need to do a renovation, and the advantage of this saw is you can, let me take out the battery first. The advantage of this saw is you can take out these parts and then you can pivot the blade. Basically you can cut the subfloor board according to the edge. So I wanted to use this saw to replace the subfloor, but unfortunately I found out or I realized the house is too old and it's quite dusty. Also some of the paints contain lead, so I don't want to do an extensive renovation due to health concern. So it's a bit unfortunately because I really want to use this saw to do some work. But anyhow, I will use it later for some DIY stuff. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will do a lot of similar videos very soon, and also once I start to work on a house, I might do some actual work just to show you guys how those machines perform. And I will put a link on my previous video in one of the corner, so you can click that link to see the previous video, the unboxing video of this saw. Okay, thank you guys. See you.